Howdy ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. Apologize for the extreme close-up, but I can't find my selfie stick. And, well, I've done a couple of takes on this and holding my phone. I actually got it on my Redneck phone holder and Redneck GoPro gadget. And, well, my arm's getting sore, so I'm having to lean on my knee now. But hey, enough about my problems. I haven't been posting much lately because just too much stuff going on. I haven't wanted to bother filming it because I wanted to get my stuff done. And I have filmed some things, but I haven't edited those. So those will be coming up soon-ish. But wanted to come on, though, because I have a friend, a really good friend, who's a musician. And actually, he's more than a musician. He's quite an accomplished and talented individual. He's been a professional baseball player and a teacher, and he's a musician and a worship leader. Well, he started a YouTube channel to post some songs that he's written and recorded, and I wanted to give him a shout out and have you guys go check him out. His name is Rick Griffith, and the YouTube channel is Open Channel. And see if you can listen to his songs and see if you can find the reference to it, which is why he named it that. But do use the link. If you go and search for the title, you'll end up with a bunch of videos about engineering calculations for flow in ditches, open channels. So, I knew what I was looking for, and I had a heck of a time finding it. So use that link and go and check him out. Like I said, he's got really good songs, but one of the songs, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight it here, is called Up on Alum Cave. And there's a link to it directly down in the description. We were having a discussion one time talking about the song Copperhead Road, which is an actual real place. And if any of you don't know the song, look it up and listen to it. We were talking about the spiritual aspects of it, about how, family, stuff passes down family lines. If you're familiar with the song, one of the lines in the song, well, the beginning is, my name's John Lee Pettimore, same as my daddy and his daddy before. And, they have similar things that happen in their life. That's what the song's about. Anyway, he said, we've got a place that's kind of notorious around here called Alum Cave. And it's one of these places with lots of, people. It's kind of an out-of-the-way place where people go off and party or go do stuff, and there's a lot of stories associated with it. So I said, hey, you ought to write a song about that, Rick. And I kept harassing him and haranguing him about it until he finally did. And you ought to check it out. It's kind of a neat sound, and it's got a neat sound to it. And anyway, that's it. I wanted to give my friend a shout out. Go check out his songs, guys, and tell him Arkansas Pilgrim sent you, and like and comment and subscribe and all that stuff, and give him a good word of encouragement. So God bless y'all. See you next time.